Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. Gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair. Get unready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a flash water, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse, but if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you. Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here. And here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off. Get unready with me, Virgo edition. This look is so cute. I'm gonna get rid of the headband and the lei. Get these contacts out. Yeah. I'm gonna try and get these eyelashes off. There's one. Ow, ow, ow. There's two. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. Goodbye, Mr. Butterfly. And Mrs. Butterfly. I'm gonna try and wipe this off. I look super cute now. Let's see if I can get that off. Oh my god! And the other side. Get these eyes off. I look like I have a 5 o'clock shadow. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, skincare edition. Okay, let's get these lashes off and these contacts out. Now I'm gonna spray my makeup with some water. And I'm gonna apply this Cocoa Kind Oil to Milk Cleanser. So now I'm just gonna start rubbing that on. Get the forehead. Can't forget about the neck. Now I'm gonna go rinse this off. Now that that is all off, I'm gonna go in with the Cocoa Kind Texture Smoothing Cream. So I'm just putting some of this on. Now I'm going in with my Resurfacing Sleep Mask. Now I'm going in with the Revitalizing Eye Cream. I like this one a lot because you can apply it directly to the under eyes. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. I gotta get this beautiful flower crown out in this veil. I'm literally living my Nicki Minaj fantasy with this wig. Take these contacts out. There's one. Oh, there's two. Get these gems off. These eyelashes are massive. This is so pretty, I don't want to take it off. Here we go. Oh, depression. Like seriously, please appreciate the detail on this neck. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. So I told you guys last time I did this, I had to go to the shelter like 10 minutes after, and I was considering getting a cat. Well, here she is. I got one. Oh my goodness, I need name suggestions. And if you didn't already watch the video that this was from, you need to. I spit water at my phone as the transition and made a huge mess. But the result, chef's kiss. Ow. I used liquid latex for this moss. And you guys are gonna kill me because I always do makeup when I'm supposed to go somewhere, but I was supposed to leave for a hike with my friends 10 minutes ago. Ah! The cats made a hole in my backdrop and now they're playing through it. And it's one of the most popular hiking trails in LA, so I feel like it would be funny if I showed up like this. You know, pop out, scare some girlies into running a little quicker on their hike. Could be good for them. I'm meeting up with Carter and Scott to hike. The holographic gloss on the lips, I feel like really brought it together. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch. Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow. No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be taking off my makeup using whipped cream. I did the zombie look using a full face of NYX Cosmetics. Every product that I used is shoppable through Walmart.com and the link on my TikTok profile. Just hit the shopping bag icon and all the products will be there. And now, for the whipped cream. If you guys are wondering, wow Sid, why are you taking off your makeup with whipped cream? During the live, you guys picked dares for the loser to do, and unfortunately, I had to spin the wheel and this is what I gotta do. Yummy! Let's get some straight from the bottle. Oh, right there. This feels wrong. But does whipped cream work as a cleanser? Get the neck. Tell me why that's kind of working. Whipped cream is not a good cleanser, but NYX Cosmetics is a good makeup line, so go check them out. Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this! Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. All right, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Okay, so I look rough, but y'all already knew that. And today I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. But not actually wiping on my makeup, because that's not possible. But I am wiping on my makeup in reverse, because you all told me the girls will give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on, TikTok. I am begging you. Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off. The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, zombie minion edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh god. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a fly swatter, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a fly swatter, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.